The battery disconnect switch is located right in the entryway of your motorhome. You must have this switch turned on for the power to go through the motorhome. This switch is the main point to get power to operate in your motorhome. It is important to know that this switch is only 12 volt. The switch itself, when activated, will click and then go back to its normal position. If you need the chassis batteries to charge the house batteries while traveling, make sure this switch is turned on. It does not hurt the coach to keep this button on as long as you have a proper source charging the 12 volt system, shore and or gen power. The switch does not provide power to the AC system as it is 12 volt only.